A pretty site won't pay the bills. Your hotel's website should sell, not just sit there. Learn what turns browsers into bookers. Before we jump into this episode, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss an episode. We're serving up fresh strategies every week to help you run your hotel like a pro without selling your soul to the big chains. Let's get real. You've poured your heart and likely your savings into your property. But if your website's not pulling its weight, you may as well whisper your offers into the wind. Today, we're tackling the all-important question. What makes a hotel website actually convert visitors into paying guests? Because if it's not doing that, what's the point? Your website is not a brochure. It's a booking machine. Let's start with a myth buster. Your website isn't just pretty. It's not a digital business card. It's your 24/7 silent salesperson. And it better be selling. I once consulted with an inn whose homepage featured more photos of the owner's cat than actual rooms. Cute? Yes. Helpful? No. You want your website's job to make someone want to stay with you and book right now. The trick? Make it fast, focused, and frictionless. Speed kills or sells. Ever waited for more than 3 seconds for a website to load? Neither of your guests. Slow websites are like a long check-in line. No one sticks around. Google research shows that 53% of users bounce if your site takes more than 3 seconds to load. That's more than half your bookings gone. Poof. Quick tip: compress images and remove clunky plugins. Make sure your site works beautifully on mobile. Don't just tell, and show the right things. Photos matter more than you think. People book with their eyes, but here's the kicker. Stock photos are trust killers. If your ocean view room has a blurry shot of a pond from 1997, you're leaving money on the table. Invest in professional photography that reflects your brand and shows your rooms in their best light. Literally. Think clean linens, natural light, and real guests enjoying your space. Bonus points if it shows what's unique about your stay. Local coffee, cliff-top sunsets, dog-friendly perks. Ditch the jargon. Clarity converts. We offer boutique, experiential, wellness-focused escapade. What does that mean? People want to know, what are your rooms like? Where are you located? How much does it cost? What's included? Your homepage should answer those in less than 10 seconds. Keep your language clear, benefit-driven, and human, like you're explaining it to a friend over coffee, not in a boardroom. A booking button that shouts, "Click me." Ever been on a hotel website and you couldn't find the booking button? Yeah, me too. Don't be that hotel. Your Book Now button should be visible on every page. A color that pops, not gray on gray. Above the fold, no scrolling required. Connect to real-time booking engine, not "please call to reserve, it's 2025, and please test it." Click it yourself. Ask your mom to try it. You'll be amazed at what you find. Trust elements. It's the secret sauce. Imagine arriving at a hotel and seeing no signage, no reviews, and no receptionist. Feels a little shady, right? Your website needs trust signals. Guest reviews with names and photos if possible. TripAdvisor or Google ratings. Secure payment icons. Real contact info. A personal welcome message or owner's photo. People don't book with strangers. They book with hoteliers they trust. SEO. It's your invisible doorman. Let's say your hotel is in Byron Bay. If someone types boutique hotel in Byron Bay into Google, do you show up? If not, your website's basically in witness protection. Use SEO optimized headlines, keywords like family friendly hotel in your town, and meta descriptions that speak to your guest needs. Blogging helps too, but more on that in another episode. Big hotel chains? Deep pockets. You, guts, charms, and this guide. Your independent hotel blueprint helps you win without selling your soul to OTAs. Download it for free. Let's show them how it's done. You can find a link in the show notes. What's the one thing that made you book the last hotel you stayed at? Was it the photos, the price, the vibe? Let me know in the comments. Here are your 5 takeaways. Speed equals conversion. Real photos beat stock any day. Clear beats clever. Visible book now wins. Trust seals the deal. Your hotel's website is your biggest digital asset. Done right, it doesn't just sit there, it sells every day, every night, while you're out meeting guests or finally taking a day off. Get this right, and you'll see fewer OTA commissions, more direct bookings, and guests arriving already in love with your brand. Want to deeper dive? This is just one sliver of what we cover in the Hotel Owner's Roadmap. 90 days to more bookings, more time, and less stress course. That's where the real transformation happens. Without the fluff and with loads of real-world tools. And hey, if your website is still rocking a coming soon banner from 2020, subscribe now so you never miss an. Until then, here's hoping your Book Now button gets a proper workout this week. Cheers to more bookings and fewer bounces.